What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about the YouTube Create app that came out about 3 months ago and whether or not it actually works with all Android phones. So if this is something that sounds interesting to you, stay tuned and we'll jump right into it. Okay, so about 3 months ago, YouTube created or released the YouTube Create app for Android phones, which is not currently available on iOS. Uh, Once again, this is a editing app that is supposed to make it easier for YouTube creators to do all their editing and then upload to their YouTube channel. So per their website, it's supposed to be easy to use, easily makes amazing videos with editing tools, effects, filters, and transitions, all in one intuitive, easy to use interface. It is direct to YouTube, seamlessly create and publish both shorts and long videos directly to your YouTube channel. It's also free of charge. YouTube Create is completely free of charge with no ads to interrupt your editing flow. They go on to say some of the tools that are available today are captions, so you can automatically add captions to your videos with just the tap of a button. Filters and effects, elevate your edits with a wide selection of filters, effects, and transitions. They have a audio cleanup feature, which easily removes unwanted or distracting background noises, as well as music and sound effects, which makes your videos pop with a library of thousands of royalty-free songs and sound effects. So I've been trying to use this since it was released. First, I tried it on my Galaxy S23 Ultra. I was able to create or import a clip and do some editing, but I'm unable to export it. I also am having the same problem on my Galaxy Z Fold 5. So let me go ahead and show you what I'm talking about. So if we go ahead and open up the Z Fold 5, and we go ahead and go to the YT Create is what it's called, or YouTube Create. We'll go ahead and open that app up. And I have two videos, actually I have three different projects I've tried. So this is the first project. Um, so I've got all my editing done in here. I go to the three dots, I click on that, I check my aspect ratio, I have it for 16:9. I've also tried it 9:16. We'll go ahead and save that, hit the three dots, export, and then we can hit high 1080p or 720p, which I've tried both. We'll go ahead and do 1080p for the test. And then we go export. And what I'm noticing is that the percentage does not change during the export. It just sits there on this screen. Previously, it would give an error saying that there was a problem with the export and to retry. Currently, with the latest version that is running on here per the Google Play Store, it just sits here and stays open. So as you can see, there is a problem with the exporting of the video. So I'm curious if anybody else is having this problem, specifically with Samsung devices. Now, I wanted to test this out on another device. So I went ahead and I've got my Google Pixel 8 Pro here. And if we go ahead and go to the Create app, let me see if I have it on this phone. I don't. So let me go ahead and show you real quick. So we'll just go ahead and open up the Play Store and we'll search for YT Create. And we'll select that. And we'll go ahead and install. Now it does note that it's in beta, so this may be a problem until they fix it. But this was 3 months ago and there's still no fix. So we'll go ahead and let that download real quick. Once that's done downloading, I'll go ahead and set this off to the side, let that download. And let me just bring in my S23 Ultra and show you that it's doing the same thing here. So if we jump into our YouTube Create app and we go ahead and open up that project, which I've saved it here as well. And we'll go ahead and go to our aspect ratio. Let's try making it a short. And we'll go ahead and 3 dots and export. And this time we'll try 720p. And you'll notice that same thing happens. The percentage doesn't change, and it will just sit there on the same screen. So I'm wondering if this has something to do with Samsung's One UI 6.0 latest update. Maybe it's not optimized for that. So that's why I'm curious, anybody that has a Samsung phone, let me know if you're having the same problem. Well, we'll go ahead and leave that going, and we'll bring the Pixel 8 Pro back in. And we'll go ahead and open up the YouTube Create. And so this is what you're greeted with. It'll ask you to sign in. And so you'll sign in with your YouTube account. So we'll go ahead and select the account. And then we can go ahead and import a video. So we'll go ahead and allow all. Let me just find a quick video here. Let's just pick this one, for instance. And we'll go ahead and import that video. And you'll see that right away it's converting the video. We can go ahead and do some editing in here if we want. Let's just go ahead and add some effects here. Let's see, let's add some cell flames, just so we have some edits on here. And we'll go ahead and adjust the filter. So let's go ahead and change that. And let's go ahead and do a adjustment here. So let's just brighten this up a little bit. Okay, so now we've made some edits. We're going to go ahead and select our aspect ratio. Let's go 16:9. And we'll go ahead and export. And we'll do 1080p. And automatically you'll see that the exporting percentage is changing and that it is doing what it's supposed to do. So the question is it a problem just with Samsung, or is there other Android phones that are also having the same problem? I only have these to test with, which is the Pixel 8 Pro, the S23 Ultra, and the Z Fold 5. I'm really concerned because Samsung's 2 flagship devices are not working for this app. So let me know in the comments below if you're having the same problem. If you're enjoying this content, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel and click the bell notification so you're notified when new videos get uploaded. Appreciate you watching.